Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add to wishlist on Audible. Whether you're browsing on Audible website or in the Audible app, adding a title to your wishlist lets you save audiobooks you intend to revisit or purchase later. This is a great way to keep track of what you are interested in without committing immediately. So in order to add an audiobook on your Audible wishlist, first of all, launch open the Audible app on your device and make sure that you're signed in. Once logged in, from the home page of Audible, go ahead and search for the book from the home page, or you may also use the search bar to search for a specific book you'd like to add in your wishlist. After you select a book, simply open up its preview page, and there you should scroll a bit down and look for Add to Wishlist and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the particular book into the wish list. You can repeat this step for every other audiobooks you'd like to add to the list. And there you have it. If you ever want to access your wish list, go ahead and click on the library button from the menu at the bottom and click on list at the top. Now under your list, you will be able to see the wish list button. Tap on it to view all of your wish lists that you've added on Audible. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.